Good morning students. Again we will study chapter 1 numbers to 10,000 part 2nd. In previous class we also discussed about the how to read and write the numbers, place value and face value. Today we study how to the expanded form of the number, ordering, comparing, ascending and descending, all are we study in this video. Then first expanded form. Write in expanded form. How to expanded then form. This number. Then in expanded form we write his, first we write this number, 4 we write the face value of 4. Then multiply. Which place 4 sit? Ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1000. Then plus. Next 3 multiply which place 3 sit 100, then plus 4 multiply 10 plus 5 multiply 1, this is 4000 4000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 5. This is the expanded form. This is the long method, this is short method. You also follow this method. In higher class you follow this method. This. Again one more question. How to expand this? First you write 9. 9 after how many digit you count? 1, 2, 3. How many digit? 3 digit. You put a 3 0. Then plus. Next 6. 6 after how many digit? 2 digit. You write 2 0. Plus 8. 8 after how many digit? 1 digit. You put a 1 0. Then this 7. 7 after there is no digit here, therefore you don't put a 0. This is the expanded form of the number. Understand? The next short form or standard form. Short form or standard form. Or standard form. Okay, listen, short form or standard form. First, 5000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. Here we write 5000 plus 400 plus 80 plus 3. First you the highest place value is 1000. You write ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then you write the ones place. You start with 1000 place or ones place. Then 1000 place is 5. 100 place is 4. Then tens place is 8, then ones place is 3. Understand? One more question. Here also, which is the highest place? 1000 place. Again you write ones, tens, 100, 1000. Then you write first 1000 place 3. Any 100 place is here? No. You put 0. Then tens place 2. Then ones place 5. Understand you? how to write the short form or standard form. Next, ordering of the number. First you write the comparing number. 5782 here, 5783. Which number is greater or less than? This is the comparing number. First you ones, tens, 100,000. Here also ones, tens, 100,000. Both are in thousand place. Then next you look first digit here 5. Here also 5. Both are same. Then next digit you go to next digit here 7. Here also 7. Next you both are same here also. Then next you look tens place. Here also 8. Here both are same. Next you look ones place. Here 2. Here 3. Which is greater? This is greater. Therefore you put this. The open mouth is come in greater number. The closed mouth come in smaller number. This is greater. The next 9008, then 7350. First you look both places ones, tens, 100,000. Here also ones, tens, 100,000. Both are in thousand place. Then first you look here 1000 place 9, here 7. Which is greater? 9 is greater. Therefore you put this sign. Understand you? Then this is the comparing numbers. Then next, ordering of number. In ordering numbers, ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. How to arrange in ascending order? Ascending means smaller to bigger. Ascending, the other name of ascending order is increasing order. Ascending, other name of ascending order is called increasing order. Here 4328, then 3140, then 5727, then 2100. Here 4 numbers are given here. First you arrange in ascending order. First you look, all are in 4-digit number? Yes, all are in 4-digit number. Here 4, then here 3, here 5, here 2. Which is the smaller number? Which is the smaller here? 2000, 2100. Then next, this is, we take this, we take. The next number 435. Which is smaller? Then 5, 3. Here we write. Then next this also we take. The next number 4. 4, 3, 2, 8. Next number this 5, 7, 2, 7. This is the ascending order, that is increasing order. Then smaller, then greater, then greater, then greater. This is the ascending order. This question we also write in descending order. Descending order, descend. This is an ascending order, ascending order, in descending order, up. Now we write this question in descending order. First you check all are in 4-digit number. Descending means decreasing order. The greater to smaller. Greater to smaller. Which is the greater number here? This. 5727. Then 4328. Then 3140. Then 2100. This is the ascending order. This is descending order. Understand? Ascending and descending. Then next, forming a number. How to forming number? To form a smallest and greatest 4-digit number using these digits. Then read the question. To form a smallest and greatest 4-digit number using these digits. Here the digits are come. We form smallest number and greatest number. First we write smallest number. These are in digits, therefore we put a comma. These are in digits, 3 digit, 2 digits. Then now we write the smallest number is equal to, the smallest digit is 0, but we don't take 0 in first, we take 2 in first, then don't put a comma, then you write 0, then 3, then 4. Then greatest number is equal to, first you take 4, then 3, then 2, then 0. Understand you? This is the second part of chapter 1. Thank you.